Hello everyone, welcome to Let's Design channel. In this channel you will learn everything about graphics designing, especially logo designing every single day. So don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for daily updates. Okay, today we will learn how to design a 3D logo in Adobe Illustrator, so make sure to watch to the end of the video. Let's design. Create a new document of width 1920 and height 1080. Press OK. Now zoom in and select Ellipse tool. You can press L key, make a circle by pressing Shift key. Stroke should be 0, choose any color as you want. Press V key for selection tool. Hold Alt key, and drag out for making duplicate. Press Ctrl+D for repeat the process. Now select all circles, and make duplicates by hold Alt and drag down. Press Ctrl+D to repeat process. Select all circles. And make their group. Now hold Alt key and drag out to make duplicates of all circles. Actually I want to fill large area, so repeat the process downside. Group them all. OK, now create a new symbol. Drag all circles to window. Select Ellipse tool. And make a big circle, hold Shift for accurate proportion. Select Rectangle tool. And make a rectangle from center of the circle. Select all. Go to the Pathfinder. Click on minus front, go to Effect, 3D, Revolve, click on Map Art. Select New Symbol. You can preview. Press OK, rotate as you want. Click OK, go to Object, and expand Appearance. This is it. Now make duplicate of the circle. Ungroup it. And release clipping mask. Drag out mask of circle. And delete the circle. Do same with another circle. Now place one circle on another for making shadow. Click on any white color. Here is your 3D model. At last select different portions of circle to put desired colors. Place a white circle on colored circle to get 3D look. Congratulations, we did it. You can add an effect something like magnetic. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for daily updates. Thanks for your attention. Take care.